Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I did my hair already, but I did a different like Fulani braids with peekaboo and curly ends. But if you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep watching the video. Okay y'all, so right here I am just showing y'all me braid the back row, and the reason why I'm showing y'all me braiding the back row is because I'm here to show y'all that you can grip hair this short, because my back broke off so bad. Like when I tell you, it was barely any hair at one point. Like it broke off so bad. What's been growing it back? I don't know. I do know why it broke off though. So you know when y'all be using them little clips when you do your wigs, please be careful, because that's what broke my hair off. But I just been doing braids to grow it back, and as you can see, it's growing back. But I'm done talking, and as you can see, I'm watching one-on-one. But yeah, we're not gonna talk about that first braid. The first braid is always chest braid, but you see that thing tight. Yeah. And I'm gonna put y'all onto what gel I use. I'm gonna put a little picture in the corner right now. So yeah. Bye.
Rip me out the plastic, I've been acting brand new. Bitches acting like they running shit they really ran through. I'd spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gonna fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. So many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. Cheap niggas make you pee, rich niggas get you both. Gave a Bentley to valet and let that nigga dry the boat. Let me pop off, leave the club sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Her bitch from the south, he tryna see me knock his socks off. Told them bitches meet me at the top, think they got lost.
Okay, so right here is where I'm doing like the 4 braids going down the side, but I ended up not liking how these specifically turned out because I added too much hair. But did I take time to redo them? I did not, because we had time for that. But I just showed that I tried it. I didn't ever get angry doing this, so get what you get. And honestly, I stopped recording it after this braid, so in the next clip is when you will see, and I will show you what it looks like.
Feel like shot it low, laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. She set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bet your mans know if you don't, what's happening. Smoking on that gas blunt, biggest color rate. Bitches like to run they mouth, but I'm the type to run a fade. When your diamonds hit like this, you don't never see the shade. Got the key to my city.
Okay guys, so this is the back.
All kind of shit. Let me pull my diamonds.
Took me a very long time. But right now I'm gonna finish the front, but in the end, I think I'm gonna go back and redo these. So I don't like how thick I made them because I did this side first. Like, yeah, I mean, it still looks decent, but this side looks clean. So, yeah, I'm gonna
feel like shot it low, laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. She set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. She set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bet your mans know if you don't, what's happening. Put that shit on the floor then. Y'all bitches like to talk, that shit on the floor then. All this imaginary smoke, all this he say, she say, you feel me? Let me know.
I been missing out the walk with the minute. I been building up the blocks like a million. Elliot got water dripping out the ceiling. Oh my God, boy he got a Glock. Oh my God, boy that boy on top. Sipping walk, make my heart stop. All these hoes, yeah my love my thigh. Yo, all let go, put her on roll, put that on payroll, put that on go. Yeah she like to go, yeah she love to blow. Get that dick so like a snow cone. get that bag, hey, show 'em how to ball, hey, I'm in the mall, hey, yeah, I'm sitting tall, ooh, look like yeah, I mean, ooh, all these hoes know, hey, all these hoes know, hey, Cardi got the roll, hey, give me a minute, yeah, I need a minute, hey, I'm in a minute, I'm in a minute, hey, I'm gonna tell you, hey, Cardi being pimpin', hey, Cardi being kick, hey, kick the shit in, hey, yeah, give me a minute, hey, yeah, I need a minute, hey, Cardi walk in, Cardi making good, hey, Cardi making hit, hey, we gon' need some linen, hey, we gon' need my jelly, hey, make sure ain't no linen, hey, make sure I got linen, hey, yeah, money got the ceiling, got me looking in, hey, what, we be getting in, understanding, hey, what, I be at sex, bitches ain't no dealers, hey, yeah, I be at sex, bitches ain't no messes, hey, yeah, fucking on your baby, I'm a great baby, hey, what, 21, hey, sitting on 2 mil, hey, yeah, I got a deal, hey, might sign another deal, hey, get my partner deal, hey, if I go to jail, hey, money for the bill, hey, money on the scale, hey, give me a minute, yeah, I need a minute, hey, I'm in a minute, I'm in a minute, hey, I'm gonna tell you, hey, Cardi being pimpin'. Metro, yo Metro. I fell in love with a lesbian. Came to knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore the evidence, but I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president, and it ain't been no back and forth ever since. Yeah, took the bitch on the trip, now she feeling me. Exotic frame in Philippines. No crease and no stain, no pressure clean. Pass out the chain with hella beats. While that water like rain on that G-Star beat. I might start up and go like I'm Mr. T. I won't ride the new rose of that Bentley beat. We gon' got some Chanel at the double C. And I bought her a bag, got her loving me. I'ma pop on my place like I'm double D. I'ma hop on the jet, hit another city. I got fans and got fans who gon' pay for me. I need my shit now, I can't wait a week. I fuck on that kitty, she take it deep. I fell in love with a lesbian. Came to knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore the evidence, but I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president, and it ain't been no back and forth ever since.
I killed the world with no evidence. I pay my dues up like every cent. And shit, I'm fresh as a peppermint. Riches they come, ain't no better man. Alright, it go like a treasure chest. Alright, it go like a leprechaun. I got a stick with a magazine. Young nigga fly as a pelican. I treat my ball like they one-on-one. I treat these hoes like they one-on-one. I smoke your dog and you 0-1. I smell like Dover and I overcome. I made a play at tongue dogs and I had double go with some bubble gum. I got a chain.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different.